Hello, welcome to another tutorial in the Let's Code Essential series. And we've talked about a whole lot of things. Okay, so we've actually talked about what our notes are, and this sort of a recap video. We are going to talk about what we've learned so far. We know our interface already, we know how we can add elements. So now you see, I have a block here. Let me make sure this position is relative. Oh, not for this one. This has to be absolute. Let's say absolute. Yes. Okay. So I'm just going to save this, contrast the save. Let me select the section. I want the section's position to be relative. So understand this or know this. In most of your designs, you would want to make sure that the position of the sections, not any other element, but the sections is always relative. You can make it absolute if you know what you're actually doing. And when we get to the point where you're comfortable with everything and all the nodes, you can just do whatever you want. But for now, make sure that all your sections, right, have a position of relative. Now that we have done that, we could press Control X on our keyboard or Command X on our Mac to just create another section. As you can see, we have two sections now. And then we can sort of put in our logo, our content, our navigation button here. We leave it there, then we can talk a little bit about our services or whatever in the next section. So what happens when you do your website this way is that you can just copy this and you can just click on this, save this particular file and apply it to another page. It makes it work very fast, and you're going to see how that works when we dive into the project that we are going to work on. Okay, so now that we have gone through this, I mean, when you want to start from scratch, when you have a design, like in our website toolkit, we have a design that you can actually want to create yourself to try to see if you can actually make something by yourself with less code. And that is fine. But you know, a lot of people do not have time, and we understand that. So we've created a lot of these templates and section style on our app store. There are some that are free. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go to the store and try to buy one of these free stuff and then download them, and then we can see how fast and how quickly we can go with our building our website. So what I'm going to do is just click on the store here. So now what we have is three elements here for now, and we have loads of them which are not on the asset store yet, which are being vetted to make sure everything is on point. Now this is free. As you can see, we have zero. This is 80 Ghana cedis and this 150 Ghana cedis. This is a full single page website that we are going to buy and use in later videos, and we are going to tweak. That will be sort of our base for editing our website. And this is sort of a 5-page website that you can use for agency or tweak for whatever you want. So you can just buy it, edit your content, and push it online. We are going to learn how to actually create a host, push it online, and have your website live so that you can share the links with people to actually take a look at it before you go production or probably go live. Now, I would want to buy this. So when I click on buy, I put in my account password and I go to the next. But you know what? I've actually bought this already. Okay. So I'm just going to go back to my projects and enter any project that I'm working on. And in this case, I'm working on a training website that I'm actually working on with you at the moment. So what I'm going to do is just click on this edit button and we can start working. So this is what we have. This is actually hideous and it's not something that we want. So we would want to change this. In this video, we've actually learned how to go to the asset store, buy an element. So once we've bought it, we are going to learn in the next video how to download this element and apply it to our page.